Hello there. Today I am standing in the Oceanfront 2-story, 1-bedroom Butler villa with private pool at the amazing Sandals Regency La Toc. This is room category B2P at this resort, and I'm so glad you've taken a moment to step behind the curtain with us as we look at this amazing Butler villa. As the name so cleverly suggests, yes, it comes with Butler services. So Butler services are there to help you make your stay as custom and as personable for you as possible. Speaking of customization, my team and I at Reliant Destinations, we love to make sure that we help you bring all of the perfect memories from your vacation. That starts from the very first moment you start planning the trip, and we're there to help. Our services are complimentary, come at no cost to you whatsoever, and you can reach out. hello@reliantdestinations.com. We always say if you aren't reaching out, you might be missing out, so do make sure to get in touch. Also, I would like to mention on our website, 𝗏𝐾aribbeanluxury.com, we have a brand new tool. It's a little questionnaire, a quick quiz that allows you to answer a few questions to see which property is best suited to your vibe. As you'll see if you watch some of the resort tours on this channel, each of the Sandals and Beaches resorts have a very different feel to them. And the truth is that for some people, maybe all the resorts are perfect for you. And for other people, some resorts are better fit than others. And so this quiz allows you to take just a couple of questions and see which of the properties are best suited for what you are hoping to experience in your vacation. So make sure to have a look at that. And again, of course, you can reach out hello@reliantdestinations.com with any questions you have at any time. But for now, let's go ahead and jump straight into this Butler Villa tour of the B2P here at Sandals Regency La Toc. Let's go. So there you have it. This has been the B2P tour at Sandals Regency La Toc. Thank you so much for stopping by this channel. Please do make sure to like this video and subscribe for endless more content about everything sandals and beaches. And as always, we're always here to help. You can reach out, as we mentioned before, hello@ReliantDestinations.com. That's how to get in touch, and we are happy to answer any questions you have. And of course, you're welcome to use our complimentary service to help you plan that perfect vacation. So we hope to see you back here on this channel very, very soon, and perhaps even sometime we'll cross paths in a resort. Take care.